Okay, so we went and got a parks pass because you had to get it to stay here anyway. Then we went up to 93, up to Lake Louise, and they have a overflow park lot that was only $10 a night, so we're staying the night there. And then tomorrow, hopefully we get some miles down, but I don't know. We'll see. On both sides.
Are they?
Yeah,
No, look at them.
there's a bunch over here. Give me this. Oh, here we go. Look at these bighorn. Holy moly. I'm going to go up a little bit, and then I'm going to use my camera and take a picture. Okay, stop right there.
Canada, we have yellow for diesel. You want to be careful because green is gas. So when you're in a different country, always make sure you check.
Like in Mexico.
Like in Mexico, where it's black.
On a separate island.
Yeah. 24 cents.
What was your gas mileage again?
So it costs $4 a gallon. Right on the money.
How many gallons a mile?
17.2.
So that's pretty good gas mileage.
Yeah, we're getting about 12.
Especially.
I just want to know what their price per gallon is because it's $1.40 per liter, so
Well,
3.78 liters in a gallon.
It's $4 a gallon.
So it's $4 a gallon. Not too bad. It's about the same as Mexico.
And with the wind, that was pretty good gas mileage.
Lake Louise, 137. I think that's what I was.
That rock we're gonna go to. That was some cool shots yesterday. It's like Grand Tetons everywhere. 4.5 meters. When you're in a different country, make sure you know your feet and your meters for going through tunnels.
Yeah.
got parked. We're in the overflow. Just winged it on a Saturday. And we got a spot on the overflow of Lake Louise. Lake Louise campground's full. And I read on iOverlander, we came here on a Saturday afternoon and got lucky. So basically, this is a parking lot, gravel parking lot. If they're not using it, it's free. And if they are using it, it's only $10. I think that's $10 Canadian, so it's even cheaper. So not bad. Not pretty, but cheaper than 30 or 40 bucks.
I guess we got lucky. There's only maybe 3 spots left in here, but Lake Louise, here we are.
I always get lucky.
Now we need to figure out what we're gonna do.
Don't I, honey?
We can ride the shuttle bus, yeah. See what's going on.
Yeah. That's a self-pay. We should probably check that out too.
Yeah.
We decided to take the Jeep and kind of tour around. Up here is the line to get on a $4 shuttle to take you up there. But we talked to the lady that works here, and she says if you go early in the morning or in the afternoon, well, that guy's just gonna back right into us.
Yeah.
You didn't even bother looking.
No.
So here's the line. We thought it was just a short one, but look, it goes all the way back around to pay $4 to take a shuttle up to the lake.
The process is very slow, obviously.
So we decided to just tour around.
Wait till later.
Get up in the morning or late today. She said after 5 o'clock there's hardly any crowds, and before around 7 in the morning hardly any crowds. So that sounds much better, and it's free. We're Alaska on a budget. There's this hotel. It looks like the Broadmoor Hotel up here. It's amazing. Look at that. Fairmont Chateau, Lake Louise. Wow. And then the employee has to wear a lederhosen. That's a big motel. We came up to the ski lodge. Check out the gondola rides. It was close to $38 a person, so we decided just to walk around, look at the scenery. And they don't let campers overnight. We checked. They close the gate at 6 because of the grizzlies and the bears won't get in the lodge.
Grizzlies.
Electric fence all the way around.
Yeah.
And then there's the gate. So they do have a perimeter around here to keep the bears out of the ski lodge. The museum. I think it's just a gallery museum. I don't know. The river's right over there, I guess. Looks crazy down here. Crazy, crazy. Too busy. Yeah. Reminds me of not Ure, Telluride.
Yeah. Fancier than Telluride.
Telluride.
You're right.
Bigger.
Aspen.
Bigger than Telluride. Bigger than Aspen.
I saw some brand new Bentley too.